Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MX entry and advanced DNS zone editor options in cPanel. This is if you want to point your website or your emails away to other servers. I'm going to be using Blogger in my example here, but you can use the same steps for any other service. First thing I will need is obviously the settings, which you'll see they are listed here. I need to change the www record to ghs.google.com, as well as adding a CNAME entry with this listed. So the first thing that I'm going to do is, because I'm only pointing my website away and I want my emails to remain with serve hosting, I'm going to be going into MX entry and I'm going to be pointing the server, the MX entries, back to serve hosting. And you'll see this is the MX entry. If you do have more than one domain, you'll need to select, or even if you have a subdomain like I do, you'll need to select the domain. Then right at the bottom by MX records, you'll edit, change the priority. I'm going to use 10, and you'll set it to mail dot and then your domain. Click edit, and that'll save the settings. Now we'll go back to the home page and then down to the domain section, and then click on the advanced DNS zone editor, and this is now where we're going to be doing all the settings that we need to change. Now the first thing that we're going to need to change is mail dot and then the domain to the server IP address. So I'm simply just going to copy this here, and then I'm going to edit this. I'm going to change it from a CNAME to an A record because I'm using an IP address. Paste that in there, edit the record, and then the next thing that I'm going to be doing is making these changes that I need here. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to change the www record. So back here where the www record is, edit. Now this is a CNAME that I'm using, so I'm going to be pasting this in here. Edit, saves that setting. And then of course I need to add this record as well. Now this is a new record, so paste it in there. Put the TTL, that's the time. Copy this last entry here. Change this the type to CNAME and then paste the CNAME record in. Add the record. Now you'll be seeing that it's listed right at the bottom as it's the newest record over here. Now any changes that we make to the DNS records, they do take 8 to 24 hours to resolve. So any changes that I've made now will only take 8 to 24 hours before I can see the change. If you do add Google Apps, you'll also make your changes in here to point your website to them. And if you want to point your emails to Google Apps, you'll do that within the MX entry area.